So the first step to create a Google Classroom is to click on these 9 dots and scroll down to this Classroom button. Once this loads, go to this plus button over here and create class and continue. So the class name is any name you can put in. Put this section in for a period or something that is special about that class, and fill these in things too. And here you have created a class. Now to customize this class, you have to click on this button and you can change the header photo and select a theme. Here I've chosen this and save. So you have created a classroom right now and you have also customized it. Next, I'll show you what these 3 tabs do. So first, let's go into the classwork tab and let's click create. So go to assignment, or you can choose any of these 3 things because you have not posted anything yet. And let's say I want to go to question, click on that button. So now you can change what kind of question you want, multiple choice or short answer. I'm going to choose multiple choice because it has different options in it, and I'm going to write down my question. So questions are useful if you just want to give the person one question and not like a whole quiz of them. So these can be used for a day's bell work or something like that. So I'll add the options. You cannot put the correct option over here and make the points. You can change the points over here, or you can make it ungraded. Of course, you can change which uh, classroom you want this question to be put inside if you have multiple classroom, and you can assign it to specific students. So you can change the due date over here, and yeah, you can put in a time and close submissions after the due date, and you can create a new topic, such as if you want it to be the first unit, and then you can just ask the question over here. As you can see, the topic that I created will be shown up and the question is under the topic. Now once you click create, you can also create another topic, and here. Now I can create another assignment, and in this assignment I am gonna make it ungraded, and you can add a rubric in this. So let's create a rubric. Let's say there are 3 criteria I want for this rubric: 3, 2, and 1 points. Over here, I'll put the title, good, average, and bad. So you can add different this descriptions for each of them, presentation, and then add another criteria. Um, yeah, my bad. You're supposed to write the title for this criteria. Now let's say I'm gonna name this criteria grammar. And we're going to do the same thing, 3 points. We're going to do three, two, and one. And put this as good, bad, uh, uh, good, average, and bad. So this is how you create rubrics if you want an assignment. And then click save and you can view the rubric. Here, you have the rubric over here. Now, of course, you can change how many points the the point values by editing the rubric once again, or you can delete the rubric to create a new rubric. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Next, over here also you can edit all these things, and then this is what I wanted to show you. I'm gonna put it in the other topic, sample 2, and assign it. So here you have it in the different topic instead of this topic. So this was just about the classwork tab. I'll show you what the people and grades tab does. So let's go to the people tab. So I'm the teacher over here, and there are I can add other teachers who can edit how this classroom looks and give permissions or remove permissions from other people by clicking on this button. And then for students, I can invite students by clicking on this button. Students can't edit how this looks, but you can change the settings on whether they can comment or post something. So yeah, this is how you can keep track of how the teachers and students of this classroom. And grades is when you invite students. So let's say somebody submitted this classwork, these two classwork that as I assigned. So once I can grade them over here, and I can review all the other students' grades over here. So these two are pretty cool features. Now I'll show you how to post something in Google Classroom. All you have to do is click on the button that I just clicked on and write something in. So you can change which classroom it goes into, you can select multiple, and you can change which student it goes to. You can also attach different things from like a link or a PDF that you want to upload, a YouTube video or something from your Google Drive, and you can make this bold or italic. So you can schedule this post. That means it will post automatically after the time you say it to post, or you can save this as a draft, which basically means you'll have to manually post it some other time. So I have just directly posted this, and it should be gone to any students that are in my class. Now go to this button, class settings, and go to general. So leave this section and go to stream. So classwork on stream, click hide notifications, or well, actually don't click hide notifications because that won't show them the upcoming assignments. And for stream, do only teachers can post or comment. That means that nobody will be able to post or comment, so it won't be kind of like a chat room. And then save it. So this is your site ready. For future videos, feel free to give me ideas in the comments.